Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight bulb on GMC Terrain, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Remove the headlamp access cover or inner splash shield to reach the bulb socket. Carefully twist and pull the bulb from the socket, replace with the correct bulb type, reassemble in reverse order, and test the light before finishing. Begin by laying out tools and parts on a clean surface so nothing gets lost. Wear gloves and keep a towel handy to protect painted surfaces and the bulb glass. Verify the replacement bulb matches the headlight specification printed on the original part or in the owner manual. Disconnecting the battery negative terminal is a quick safety step that prevents accidental electrical issues while you work on the headlight housing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a handy companion for waiting during repairs and for manuals on the go. I've placed the link and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. With the access cover removed, locate the bulb socket and remove the wiring harness connector by pressing the tab. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out while noting the orientation for the new bulb. Handle the new bulb by the base, insert it in the same orientation, rotate to lock, and reconnect the wiring harness securely. Reinstall the access cover, reconnect the battery negative terminal, then switch on lights to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.